8 months ago, this patient sat exactly where probably you are sitting right now. He didn't just want his hairs back, but he wanted to look like himself. He wanted to be himself. So let me tell you his story today. From this to this in just 8 months' time. Hi, my name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I'm an American board certified hair transplant surgeon. Today, I want to tell you about this patient of ours who was able to gain his confidence and his hairs back in just 8 months. So before going through it, the important thing is that if you want to see real science-backed solutions, you should hit the subscribe button. Now, if you are staying abroad, you are working as an IT professional, you want to look good, but you keep on losing hair, and like him, you have reached to grade 5 northward, you would definitely want to have those nice looks which you had before you came to this country abroad. So what happens is that when you connect with us and then we decide after a long, good consultation, your full treatment, then you have to come for your hair transplant, but you want to know also how you would look before your hair transplant. Then we want to help you by PeekAI feature of Saraswat Hospital App. You just need to download the app, click on the PeekAI feature, and then upload your front and top views images. What it will do, within 24 to 48 hours, you'll receive your probable image pictures along with a tentative number of grafts, approximate number of grafts which would be required by you, and a few set of questions which when you ask your hair doctor, you'll be able to understand your procedure better. So now you are seeing the before images of our patient when he approached us for consultation. On the day of surgery, these are his pictures. Before surgery, we did the trichoscopy. The report is there on the screen now. You can see that he had enough donor area which were good in thickness and appropriate in quantity, so that when we calculated the recipient area, we found that we would be needing somewhere around 4,300 grafts for him by FUE method. If you want to ask your hair loss questions, you want to know your grade of hair loss, and you want to find out how we can help you, you can always ask in the comment section below. Again, there is a detailed report of trichoscopy on your screen now. You can see how many 1 hair, 2 hair, 3 hair, 4 hair grafts he had and how many grafts we put. The thing I want to tell you here is the lost number of grafts is much more than the number of grafts we have to improve the hair density. So we need to put it very artistically, and we do it by putting very light, softer hairs in the extreme front row, and then 1 to 2 hair grafts towards the back, and 3 and 4 hair graft in the central area. So that ways we are able to create an optical illusion of good number of grafts, though we have less. So this is one special thing I wanted to share with you all. If you want your own personalized treatment plan, you can book a consultation with us by calling on the numbers below or WhatsApp us your pictures. Now you can see his pictures on the day of surgery, 4th day after surgery, 2.5 months after surgery, 4 months after surgery, 5.5 months after surgery, and then 8 months after surgery. I should tell you that this is not the full density he has. The density will even increase, will improve more till about 12 months after surgery. Do share this video with someone who has lost these many hairs, but they want a really good frame of face with good number of hairs like him. If you want to know cost of 3,000 grafts hair transplant, you can click the link on the right.